All right, what I'm doing here is I'm just gonna do an unboxing real quick of this Airsoft rifle. And I haven't opened it at all. I just got it from Amazon in the mail. I haven't even taken the box off the top here and opened it up, but I've seen a lot of reviews. I've seen unboxings already, and just thought I'd capture what I find, what I experience as I open this box up. But before I do that, I bought the Kalashnikov AK-47, did some research. I also got this red dot sight here. It's the Fayachi Reflex sight. It's just a standard red dot sight. It was less than 20 bucks, and it has the different types of dots going from single dot to crosshairs with crosshair and circle. Again, it was less than 20 bucks. I've played with it already because I got it yesterday, and it seems really solid and sturdy. Like I would probably use this on an actual weapon, a real, AK-47. But it's pretty slick, low profile. It's very heavy and durable, easy to use, and I don't know. That's that. So I know I messed up the name of it, but that is what I bought. I hope you can see that. Funny story, I've got my camera hanging on the chandelier in my kitchen, so hope the angle's all right. Anyways, yep, 495 feet per second. All right, let's just get into it. Too much talking. All right, first thing is, yeah, it's real heavy. I think they said it was about 8 pounds, but I swear it feels heavier than that. It's like, feels like 10 or 15, but yeah, very heavy. Comes with this stuff here. This tells you things that you should probably know. Yep, very nicely packaged. This stuff right here, holding it in place, keeping it from getting all jolted around and shipping. I got a clip. Oh, we got 2 clips. I guess I saw that. But I think each clip holds 550 BBs. Yeah, that's what it holds, 550 BBs. And then spin them up. Load them through here, or no, I guess through here. I've never owned an airsoft gun before, so I'm figuring this out as I go. And all right, so they feel nice and sturdy. They have like a matte finish, a matte feel. They feel good in your hands, and they look very realistic. So here's the battery. It's an 8.4 volt battery, and it comes with your charger. It's not a smart charger. Apparently that's a big deal. All right, it does come with a shoulder strap. These are kind of dinky though, very little, thin clasps. I mean, it should get the job done, and it looks nice. It's got that green military look to it. Some tools for something I'm sure I'll need later, probably hop up and adjusting sights, I think. And now the weapon itself. Yeah, so that's nice. That feels good and heavy. Yeah, I mean, let me try to get it closer. Do this. But yeah, that feels like a real gun. That slides smoothly. Okay. Yeah. I mean, right now, I'm actually kind of impressed. This feels like a real gun. Anyways, it's mostly metal. Let's do the metal test. So this would just flip back. Yep. And that's locked in there. Oh, and it's locked in very, like that doesn't move much at all. A little wiggle. And then apparently I just pushed, yeah, look at that. Super slick. Watch this. Yeah. I hope you can see all that. And then this guy's a little wiggly. I read some bad stuff about the foregrip here, but pushes in, goes away. It really all fits nicely. You know, that's pretty firm. It wiggles a little, but it doesn't, you know, once I'm bringing everything towards me, I'm gonna be able to hold it stable. Look at that. Sorry, this is all pretty. Okay, so that came off easy. And I think what I do is, first thing I need to rip that off. Let's rip that off too. Okay. All right. You're supposed to tuck all this in there. Feels like I'm gonna break that, but I don't know. We'll see. So that goes there, and then this. Did that go? Oh, okay. There. All right, so that's not adding up. I feel like, okay, that makes more sense. Hey, all right, a little awkward, but really not too bad. I noticed that, well, what's this? What is that? It came with something else. Oh, that's for cleaning. Look, cleaning the barrel. Anyways, what I was gonna say is that this right here, it's a little wonky. Solid already. And then you'll have on your sights here some of the styrofoam just kind of glued itself to the sight. I'll wipe that off later maybe. And then here's where your hop up adjustment is. Looks like it's all the way forward. And I think I'm on, so I'll put my clip in. That was easy. And probably doing something wrong. Something. Whoa, okay. It's loud. So I can tell you that the battery is probably completely dead. So although it's not indicating here, probably in safe mode is there. Okay, well, can't show you much of that. As I'm moving this lever down, it's starting to already kind of scratch here. It's eventually gonna wear out and leave a line, but whatever. And it's got an extra rail mount here for like a laser or a tactical flashlight, another one on the other side. This is obviously removable if you don't want the foregrip, and then, you know, slide it front to back to fit your body. This on the front is a slide, or what is that called? Something mount. and nowhere to mount a sight further back, which after I bought the red dot, I realized that I would rather have the red dot closer to my face than all the way forward here. So because the closer the red dot is to your face, the better it looks looking down the sights. I mean, I can work with this. But anyways, awesome looking gun. Feels really real. Feels nice. Feels sturdy. It is sturdy. And I'll charge this battery and go shoot it. So that'll be fun. Okay, well, that's it for now. Thanks. I'm gonna point at this target now and shoot. At the target, I'll do 5 rounds with my red dot sight here. I'm watching them, and they are hitting right in that circle. Maybe a 6-inch circle. I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna shoot some more just so you see. Awesome. Okay, we'll walk over there real quick and that's right. I'm a couple errant shots here and here, and that's look at the grouping. I mean, was that? Oh, yeah, that was this time. So anyways, probably need to adjust the sight because I'm on it right here with that little dot, and but not bad, right? So I'm just gonna shoot to the right of that target. Probably shot too much. There you have it. I mean, no errant shots on that one. They all hit where I was aiming. Same standard grouping. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is see how far away I have to go to get it to penetrate the cardboard. Every once in a while it does that dongy sound. So I'm here, I'm about 35 feet, and they are definitely going through. Hey, so I decided that I was going to take and unload a clip into that little circle now that I know they penetrate. And I'm just gonna basically dump off as many as I can until I either run out of battery or there's a hole in it. And that should be kind of cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so again, thanks for watching this. Just by the way, this is what I was using. These match grade. They're the 6mm 20 gram or 0.20 gram. That's what they recommend, and they said that you can put the 0.25 grams in there and it's fine, and obviously that's going to get you a little more distance and more impact. Or maybe not more distance, it'll get you more consistency and a higher impact. But either way, hey, thanks for watching.